This is the foundation course in digital marketing. Your objective is to understand the world of digital marketing and the numerous opportunities it presents. My objective is to help you understand this world of digital marketing. We will be touching upon the various elements of the digital marketing mix framework in this foundation course. Who benefits from the foundation course in digital marketing? It turns out many do and many have already benefited from this course. Students can learn the different elements of the digital marketing mix and its importance in the overall digital marketing strategy. Fresh graduates are able to decide if they want to make a career in digital marketing. The certification helps them in getting a digital marketing job. With the certification, young professionals are able to add more qualitative achievements to their resume. Senior managers are able to identify the right digital marketing skills that their marketing teams need for business growth. Marketing executive managers get a better understanding of which digital marketing techniques make a positive impact to their company growth. CXOs can negotiate with their agencies better, seeking the right performance metrics for each digital marketing contract. Business owners can understand the need and essence of including digital marketing in their business strategy. Startup founders and entrepreneurs can understand and can imbibe the best practices followed globally in digital marketing. Solopreneurs can make a better judgment about the investments needed to implement digital marketing in their business. Freelancers can start offering more in-demand digital marketing services to their clients. Housewives can understand the new ways to generate additional income by working from home. Thus, the foundation course in digital marketing brings about a transformation. Anyone who does this course can make an informed decision about the choices offered by digital marketing. The impact of this transformation on the lives of the course participants is huge and tremendous.